talk to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold, I got nowhere to sleep. Is somewhere you could help me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Just think about it. To the man on the street, he can see she's been crying. She got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk but she's trying. Oh, just think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh no, just think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Just think about it. It's another day for you and me in paradise. Paradise. It's another day for you and me in paradise. Paradise. Think twice, you gotta think twice. Another day for you in paradise. Yeah. Another day for you in paradise.
Wanna ride down the coast till the sun goes down. Can I feel you're the home that I never found? You're the waves from the shore, how I love the sound. 'Cause I never belonged till you came around. I need you to pull it closer. Closer than we've ever been. Now closer feels like everything now. I need you to pull it closer. Stay with me tonight, 'cause baby we're so right, you know that. With you, I feel alive. With you, all the summer, all the time. Put your body next to mine. California, 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 California. And if I never reason to make you stay, drinking pina coladas along the way. Got a taste of your love on a perfect day. No look in your eyes when you wanna say, I need you to pull it closer. Closer than we've ever been. Now closer feels like everything now.